Hey guys and girls, and today I know I said we were gonna do another third one of take on.
No, we said that we might do a part
Oh
two
yeah, might part 3.
of tycoons.
But we just wanted to take a little break, and probably after this.
You never
video-
said that I did.
What?
Never mind.
And yeah, so we are back at it again with another video. I'm Chloe Bug, and this is,
Plush.
and the game we are playing today is,
Fashion famous.
and we hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications.
And enjoy the videos.
Yes. So, the title is steampunk. I don't see how that's steampunk.
You don't even know what steampunk is like.
Yeah, I do.
You asked me not so long ago, hey, what does steampunk look like?
I was asking myself that. Hey guys, we're back at it again with another YouTube video for you guys, and we wanted to take a break for the tycoons, and yeah, so we're playing Fashion Famous. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video because it was fun. Not fun, because it will be fun. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait until, I don't know, I'm just really bored right now. YouTube videos probably to all y'all people are fun and all, but me and Fox Blue Plush. What?
You said Fox Plush Blue or whatever.
I said Fox Plush Blue.
That's not my name!
I always get it confused up, but whatever. It's gonna be fun, so make sure you guys stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. So I'm just waiting until to see what the title is to dress up like. Do you like my shades?
Of course not, don't we?
Okay. Okay, I'm going straight for the hair. The hair. Come on. Okay. I want a messy hair. So, now let's go get that colored. Okay, so I want to get a face that looks mean, but I want it to look good at the same time. You guys know what I mean. Okay, you guys should already know what face I picked. Those are not the shades I wanted. Okay, so let's go with those. These. Okay, good. Now it is time to go get dressed. Because, like, in the fashion show, you gotta have an outfit, an outfit. Yeah, gotta have an outfit. I think that looks pretty cute. I think I might wanna add some let's see if I can. But they gotta be the perfect wings. Come on, I want those. I need those. Okay. I got some wings. And yeah, I'm gonna go get a little tiara on. That's stupid, I can't put on a little tiara.
Turd.
Really, I cannot literally have any hats on. Really?
Bless you.
Thank you. I just sneezed.
What? You got it on me.
No, I didn't.
Feels like it.
You fibber. You fibber dibber dibber. Okay, I think I am done. Now we just gotta go to the thing, and I don't think this video will be as long as the other one was. No, I do not like your shades, Sarah. I'm just kidding. I got nothing to say nice. Don't say anything at all. That's what I'm gonna try to work on, y'all.
Yes, you need to work on that.
I can tell that's a girl, so I'm not gonna really rate that really good, so sorry, but no. No, that person does not even have any shades. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna do. No, I do not like, your shades are not Gucci or Fibber. But anyway, so yeah, I'm probably gonna do this and see who gets in first place and then second and third. And then I'll probably end the video then. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. What the frick? I think they were trying to go outside the box, but I went outside the box way too far. I'll rate that because they look really good. I give that a 4 because they look nice with the shades. Yes, I do like your shades, and your outfit is extremely cute. I'm just gonna give her a 5. Because that is extremely good, and yes, I do like your shades. Nope, not really. I'm not gonna vote for that. That looks stupid. Nope, I'm not gonna vote for that either. Huh? That's me, people.
No. Oh. You have no.
Hopefully I get a lot of likes on that. Hopefully I do. Yes, I went in first place. Look. Look.
Oh.
I want to put thanks, but I don't want to. Okay, I'm going to end it right here. Okay, goodbye, guys.